Hello friends, in this video I will tell about the Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction. The aldehydes which are lacking in alpha hydrogen give the Cannizzaro reaction. The aldehydes which are lacking in alpha hydrogen give the Cannizzaro reaction. Write down two similar or dissimilar two similar or dissimilar aldehydes lacking in alpha hydrogens undergo, it is a very important word, that is an undergo redox reaction. Undergo redox reaction in the presence of concentrate NaOH or caustic KOH, caustic soda, caustic potash. Repeating again, two similar or dissimilar aldehydes lacking in alpha hydrogen undergo redox reaction in the presence of concentrate NaOH or potassium hydroxide. Now what happens when two molecules of aldehydes are taken? One molecule undergo reduction. One molecule undergo, you can say one molecule of aldehyde is reduced to form the primary alcohol. You have to use two molecules of aldehyde. You have to take two molecules of aldehyde. One molecule is reduced to form the corresponding primary alcohol. One molecule is reduced to primary alcohol, and other molecule oxidized to form carboxylic acid. Since concentrate NaOH is used, acid and base undergo neutralization reaction. Carboxylic acid which reacts with the concentrate NaOH to form salt. Final product of redox of Cannizzaro is alcohol and salt. Final product of the Cannizzaro reaction of the aldehyde must, they are lacking in alpha hydrogen, undergo redox reaction in the presence of concentrate NaOH or potassium hydroxide to alcohol and the salt. These are the major products, alcohol and salt. And the aldehyde which are lacking in alpha hydrogen, for example formaldehyde, benzaldehyde. Commonly, they are generally asked in the examination, the board examination. They are formaldehyde, benzaldehyde. Now I am giving reaction of these compounds. First is formaldehyde. We have to use two molecules of formaldehyde. One molecule is reduced to form alcohol. Reduction of formaldehyde gives methyl alcohol, CH3OH, or you can say methanol. IUPAC name is methanol, common name is methyl alcohol. Now one molecule is oxidized to form carboxylic acid, that is formic acid, which reacts with quickly reacts with the concentrate NaOH to form HCOONA. It is called sodium formate. Sodium formate. Final product is sodium formate and methyl alcohol. You can write the equation in this way. Formaldehyde, you can say methanol, NaOH gives methyl alcohol plus sodium formate. This is a chemical equation for the Cannizzaro reaction of formaldehyde. You can take screenshot if then. After then I am going to explain the Cannizzaro reaction expressed by the benzaldehyde. This is molecule of benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. One molecule is reduced to form their corresponding alcohol. On reduction gives CH2OH, benzyl alcohol. Other forms the carboxylic, that is the benzoic acid, you can say, which reacts with the concentrate NaOH to form C6H5COONA. This is sodium benzoate. This is sodium benzoate. And you can write the equation like this one. Benzaldehyde C6H5CHO, 2 molecules, plus NaOH gives benzyl alcohol plus C6H5COONA. Benzaldehyde, this is benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. This is sodium benzoate, C6H5COO. This is sodium benzoate and this is benzyl alcohol and this is benzaldehyde. When benzaldehyde gives this one, it gives the next important point is that no ketone gives the Cannizzaro reaction. No ketone gives the Cannizzaro reaction. And now I am giving the equation for writing as homework. Write the Cannizzaro reaction between formaldehyde and benzaldehyde. Formaldehyde and benzaldehyde, methanol and benzaldehyde. They also give Cannizzaro reaction. The name it is called as cross Cannizzaro reaction, and it is for you that you have to write the Cannizzaro reaction equation of cross Cannizzaro reaction between formaldehyde and benzaldehyde. You have to write the chemical equation of Cannizzaro reaction or this cross Cannizzaro between the formaldehyde and benzaldehyde. It is called cross Cannizzaro because 2 different molecules of aldehyde has been taken. Formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, and third will be sodium hydroxide. You have to write the chemical equation yourself. You have to write the chemical equation yourself.